Okay, so here's another example from our normal distribution probability. Suppose that the distance of fly balls to hit the outfield in baseball is normally distributed with a mean of 270 feet and a standard deviation of 56 feet. Let x equal the distance in feet for a fly ball. Question A asks if a fly ball is randomly chosen from this distribution, what is the probability that the ball traveled fewer than 210 feet? We're going to round our answer to 4 decimal places. Well, I'll show you how we're going to do this, and I'm going to use, again, my normal distribution calculator. So here it is. On the right, you can see that I have the green box where we're going to enter in our relevant information, and it says we want the distance of fly balls to hit the outfield. Let's see, we say our mean is 270 feet, and our standard deviation is 56 feet. So we want to find the probability that if one fly ball chosen has traveled fewer than 210 feet. So we're going to enter in 210 feet. And there it is, right? Our probability that one fly ball has traveled fewer than 210 feet, rounded to 4 decimal places, will be, in this case, probability will equal 0.14198. So 1420 when rounded to 4 decimal places. Now the next question asks us to find the 70th percentile of the distribution of the balls. In other words, we're saying, all right, let's say that we know that the probability that we're going to hit whatever fly ball we're looking at, we're looking for 70% of all fly balls will be less than this number of feet. How do we do that? Well, in fact, in this case, we're given the probability number. We're told that the probability is equal to 0.70. The question is, in this case, what is x? So this is where I'm going to go down to the bottom part of my calculator and use what's called the inverse normal. In this case, if I'm given a probability, it's always a probability that x is less than this number. So we're going to enter in 70th percentile. That means 70% are less than this number. We're going to enter 0.7 for our probability. And in this case, here's the number. Now, we're going to round this to 1 decimal place, which means that x, in this case, our answer for the number of feet, is going to be 299.4 feet. Well, that's the answer we wanted, and so we're done.